Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat in 2022. It's very simple and easy. When you open it, Snapchat app, go to profile, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Next step, we should go to settings. It's very simple and easy. We tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Then scroll down and find who can option, and under who can we can see some different options. Contact me, just go to contact me and select everyone. Then go back, who can send me notifications, open, select everyone. Then go back and tap on view my story, who can view my story, select everyone. Okay, another different option, see my location and see me in quick ad. It's not interesting for us. Then go back to main profile, and here we will see public profile, and under public profile we can see create public profile. Just tap on create public profile, then tap on continue at the bottom, and then okay, get started. Tap on get started, and from pop-up menu select create. We creating our public profile. As you can see, public profiles, and see my public profile. Also you can tap on public profile, and here tap edit profile to create a new photo, for example, add bio, add your location, and also you can show subscriber count if you need it. Of course, you can just swipe the slider to the right side and enable show subscriber account. If we go back and we can tap on previous profile, we can see how exactly your subscribers see your public profile. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.